Welcome. I have a great stretch for those people who have tight traps, and that's most of us. Tight neck muscles, muscles between our shoulder blades. Obviously, when we spend a lot of time in a seated position, looking down, driving, forward head posture, rounded shoulders, these muscles seem to get very, very tight. And people are always asking, particularly in emails, how do I stretch the upper traps? Well, obviously, most people grab the head and pull it forward or pull it to the side, but this particular stretch is very different because you're going to feel a nice pull from the lower part of the neck all the way down to that mid-back, and it's so simple, but most people don't know how to do it. This is the most simplest exercise you'll probably learn, so let's get right to it. All we're going to do, we're going to bend our knees. Bend the knees a little bit. What we're going to do is we're going to cross our arms, we're going to grab the outside of both knees, okay? Now, you see how we're leaning over right now. All we're going to do now is grab our knees and lift up. Look up to the sky and just lift up, leave the knees bent. Just bring your upper body as your head's being pulled upward by a string to the sky and hold it there. Beautiful. Feel that nice stretch. That stretch you could be doing every day. Do it a couple times a day. It will release a lot of those tight muscles. But the most important thing about this stretch is that when your knees are bent, okay, and your arms are crossed like this, I don't want you standing up. Don't stand up. What I want you to do, I want you just to lift your head up to the sky, keep pulling, and as your head comes up high, you're going to feel that nice stretch behind the neck and traps, inside the shoulder blades. You can hold it a good 45 seconds or so, 45 seconds, and then release it. Most important in any stretch, don't overdo it. Obviously, as you stretch, give the body time to repair. But as you do this stretch, you'll see more elongation of the muscle, less spasming. You'll feel a whole much more increased range of motion, and hopefully it'll take a lot of your pain for those people who are suffering from herniated disc, bulging discs, as well as pinched nerves. As those muscles release, you'll get less tugging from the origin and insertion. I ask you to share this video to help others. And again, leave your comments below. I'd like to see how you have done from this particular exercise. The most important thing, as I say all the time, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Mandell.